So today what we're running is the Disney Princess Academy. The Disney Princess Academy, we've brought in 1800 girls from in 5 cities who are winners of the Disney Princess contest that we've been running on television now for the last 1.5 months. And these 1800 girls, there are 360 girls in each city that are coming with 3 sessions in each. Like in Hyderabad, there are 3 sessions. Similarly, we have in 4 other cities, Bangalore, which got over, Delhi, Bombay, as well as in Calcutta. In each of these sessions, 100 to 120 girls, they go through the 2 to 3 hours of training to be Disney princesses. So they go through 2 or 3 sessions. One is a ballroom dancing session. They go through, how to learn to make a tiara and do makeup, as well as they learn also value systems, how to be kind, caring, because princesses are not just about beauty. Princesses is a lot about inner goodness as well. So they learn that. And in the end, they have a great surprise. We have flown in 3 real Disney princesses, Snow White, Cinderella, as well as Rapunzel, who come in and they do a full dance with them, and they also take photographs with them, and then the girls go back. So that is really the event. So it is like in the form of an event, because these are all little girls, and you will see once you go inside, you will see their age group from 4 to around 12 years old. We have girls who are there. So it's like a proper academy. So they go through classes inside. So there are tables, chairs, then they go through the typical way of an academy. So that's what they're doing right now. And not only that, 4 girls from each city, who are the lucky girls, will be chosen to fly to Hong Kong Disneyland along with their families, where they stay for 2 days in Hong Kong Disneyland, and then really become live in the Princess Castle. And now we have, after this, we're going to Calcutta, then Delhi, and last is Bombay. Bangalore response was fantastic. The last session, we have 3 sessions in a day, and this is the 3rd session you will also see just now. In the 3rd session, the event, normally the academy gets over in 2.5 hours. It went on for more than 3.5 hours because we had many extra kids who landed up for the 3rd session. So it's beautiful sessions. You will enjoy yourself. You should come in and take a look, and I think it's a fantastic opportunity to just show how the academy runs, especially when you see the joy in girls' faces.